Question 1. Do you like mathematics? Why? Answer. Yes, absolutely. Among many areas of knowledge, math is my all-time favorite. Firstly, winning in any battles against puzzles gives me a sense of accomplishment. It is like I have successfully conquered a challenge. Plus, when I was knee-high to a grasshopper, it was the only subject that gave me an unassailable lead over my peers. I was rather proud that while my classmates struggled with equations and even avoided them like the plague, maths was as easy as pie for me. That may be because I was endowed with quantitative skills. When did you start learning math? Answer. Like many kids in my country, I was first exposed to number when I was knee-high to a grasshopper. In kindergarten, to be exact. I was taught basic mathematical knowledge like counting numbers. Immediately, math piqued my interest and curiosity. And there was even a time when I kept my nose to the grindstones to become an eminent would-be mathematician, which was supported by my dad, who used to be a math teacher. But one day, I realized that becoming a math major was just an ephemeral and arbitrary choice. It's just a passing fancy, to be exact. Then I would prefer to seek solace in solving equations as a hobby rather than to picture myself as a math aficionado. Have you had an electronic calculator when you were a child? Answer. No. When I was a kid, I had no notions of working something out on a calculator. I had to do mental arithmetic all the time to sharpen my calculating skills. Calculators had not been introduced to us until I was in grade 10 and had to crunch all the numbers, which required a high degree of accuracy. However, pulling out a calculator all the time causes us to be bewildered in the absence of them. Is it important for people to know math well? Answer. Well, I'm afraid not. There's no escaping the fact that everyone needs a basic grounding in mathematics because some of its aspects tie to real life. For example, fundamental calculations like addition, deduction, multiplication, and division are of great necessity to our daily life, but people don't have to know math inside out to be successful in life. Indeed, algebraic and geometric know-how doesn't come in handy a lot to people like language teachers and even business people who are not involved in math-centric positions. However, it can't be denied that those with in-depth knowledge of this discipline have a number of advantages over those not. Apparently, daily beating their brains out to find solutions to contentious brain teasers helps to sharpen these people's cognitive and critical thinking skills. Plus, it is only these math enthusiasts that can see the beauty cold and austere, yet sublimely pure, which math can offer.